The fourth floor, first time, let's see the cutting and the sewing area this way. We can see all the PU laser we are putting here and wait to sew it. This is the sewing area. And in the front of us is our technical department this way. All the products we have to test and design from this room. Every year we got more than 500 chairs from this department. Technical department, let's see. We got many chairs here. All the sample is from this room. Okay, let's go this way. Now we are going to the third floor. The third floor is the gunning and the nailing area. Let's go and check. You can hear the sound, right? Like you see, this is a gunning area. Our skilled workers are working. We have to put the PU laser cover the milled foam. In the front, we can see many semi-finished products. All the products we have to package it twice. First, we will put our products into the plastic, like this, strong plastic. And the second time, let's go to the second floor, is our packing room.